This is a pack of curry I use to flavor the bread or the rice. Look at all the oil on top of it. This should not be in your lungs. You don't need this oil. It has to throw away. When you buy from food court outside, you normally mix around the curry, and this is what you're mixing together. And when you're mixing it, you won't be able to see this layer. This layer must go and not into your body. Try to eat healthy. Look at it. Do you want all this to be in your body? This is my thinking. Remove as much oil on top as possible, then only take the actual curry that's sitting in the bottom. When this gets into your blood arteries, it's quite difficult to clean. You can try using a water pipe, and put some curry inside the surrounding water pipe and try to clean it and see how long it takes you to clean the water pipe. That would be the same as you would do for your arteries. Now it becomes lesser. Yeah, this is what you want. Not the oil. There's too much oil in your body. It's no good. Beautiful. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe